up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Back at you with another video. Hope you guys enjoying your day. I'm just in here chilling right now. Nothing special. But my son did do my vents. So this is a part 2 to the first video. So don't be like, oh, they still got the same clothes on. Part 2. Same day, different day that I'm doing this. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man. And I'm debuting his new beat on here too. So if you guys enjoy it, I gotta take my dog out. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Smash the notification bell so you can get all upcoming content. Subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel. Please, I'm going to say it again, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up on this video or on any of the videos. It helps the algorithms and it puts me, a little further. So, I'm coming. So, yeah. And you can go over there and check out his channel if y'all interested in listening to the beats. He learning and he getting better as he do it. You can go over to his channel. It's Demon Beats. D-E-E-O-M. D-E-E-M-O-N Beats. B-E-A-T-S. Go check, give the channel a check out if y'all like it. Subscribe to his channel, man. Help the little young man feel motivated. Besides, I try to help him too. But, when people like his beats and things like that, it helps people. It makes them motivated. If you like it, subscribe to the channel because that means he evidently going to have some more beats to come. So, yeah. Holla at him. And make sure y'all come back and check out the next video after this. It's going to be with him installing the double den and the vents back in. So, catch y'all. Peace.
So far I've put the first one in, and that's what it looks like. I would also like to say thank you to everyone that liked that video that my dad posted of my beat, and all the people that subscribed from it and came over to my channel from his. And to all the people that are new, go check out my channel, Demon Beats, D-E-E-M-O-N Beats. Dad, I just realized something.
What?
You can't even put it on this one.
Why? Put it on which one?
Look, above my thumb.
This very last one?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry about that one. You have to just get there.
Oh, but actually, I probably could.
You could just use whatever's left to get there. Oh, sorry. My back hurts.
Your back hurt, that's why you dropped it?
My back hurts so bad, boy.
I know.
What are we making for the M&M Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre concert?
Oh, that's what's gonna be on there?
Yeah, nigga.
What we making? Like what? Like what?
Eminem, Dr. Dre, and Snoop concert, bro.
Like what kind of snacks?
He said that. Right. No.
Now, we gonna watch it on TV sometime, like we do every year.
Mom, you asked, what are we making?
Yeah, what we gonna eat?
Take my slippers
We gonna eat M&M's,
No.
hot dogs,
Take my slippers into the living room.
and
Take my slippers into the living room right now.
here, Mom. I said hot dogs.
Well,
You got a new dog.
I know.
Alright, man. Go to the big dog bowl with the trough and bring it and sit it on there. The trough.
The bucket?
Yeah.
The bucket?
This one?
Yeah, the trough. Put it right there.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
She said the bucket?
I thought that was a barrel.
It is a barrel bowl. I just call it a trough.
Your dog is not a pig.
They act like
Ha!
now they wash your hands first. Get your trough and take them up.
Now you gotta watch the places for you too, because that's where the dog is. After we're done eating, we gotta go get dressed. So we gotta go to the grocery store.
Okay, Mom, can I wear my black skirt and my shirt that goes with it?
Now, told you have to be outside and y'all to the grocery store. That's very sad. You can wear that when we leave. It's too cold for that outfit yet, but you'll be able to wear it somewhere. Maybe you could save that for your birthday outfit. Where are you going with that for?
Now the only thing I worry about is rubbing it there.
That's cool. Check it out. I got family operation going on over here. I'm gonna throw that up in the video for y'all. Up and running low on power. Now my daughter over here, showing what you doing, showing your project. Just show your project. Go ahead.
Today I'm gonna be doing diamond painting mercat unicorn thing.
And he's handling
I'm putting the,
vent covers.
yeah.
Yep. So, with that being said, guess what? Breakfast is done.
But I worry about it rubbing against that.
It's okay.
Like from that area. I'll
No,
burn
don't even worry about it. to the right.
What is this?
Okay. So we're gonna pause this and we're gonna go ahead and eat our breakfast, and I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Peace.
Okay, so that's the finished vent, and I still have 2 more to go. Catch you in a minute.
Too much time.
Uh-uh. And I am done. Last thing I need to do to this is put these on. Which,
What does that say, Dave? Hmm? What? Hmm?
okay, so I am now finished. I put these pieces on the back. They just clip on. The vents are in. They have the pieces on them. These two as well. These ones. And this is everything that I've done so far. So I'm gonna go put these in the car and bring you guys with me.